Hey everyone, thought I'd show you off my latest project here. I call it the Mutatron 3000, or maybe just a Mutatron. I don't know if I'm going to make 3,000 of these. But anyway, the idea is this is going to hang on a wall in the office, and as people walk by, hopefully they'll be compelled enough by seeing this uniquely shaped object to say, hey man, I like the smiley face. Like the smiley face, or maybe I'm just having a real bad day. I played offender on having a bad day, or maybe I'm just okay today. Anyway, I want to, as a child, as I push those things and we go forward, I track all of that on the screen up here. You'll see as I make a happy face, we go up a little bit. 2, by the way, is the medium. So if I make more 2s, that goes down a little bit, and if I'm a real sad person, it goes down a lot real fast. The motion count is currently disabled because I had a hardware failure just before I made this video. So anyway, that's the Mutatron. Hope you like it. And there'll be more descriptions in the comments below in my YouTube channel. But yeah, hope you like it.